In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Gemini Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your account, choose the plan that fits you, and complete checkout smoothly, all while avoiding the common hiccups that slow people down. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the official Gemini website or app and make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to upgrade. If you're new, follow the prompts to set up your account. It only takes a moment. Before moving on, confirm you're on the legitimate Google page, your internet connection is stable, and you're signed into the correct profile so your subscription lands on the right account. Next, click Upgrade at the upper right corner of the Gemini homepage. On some screens, this might appear as Upgrade, Try Premium, or a similar label. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page, check the main menu, or ensure you're not already on a premium plan. In some regions, the button may appear only after you accept basic terms or update your app to the latest version. Now, select your plan. You'll typically see options like a monthly plan or an annual plan. The monthly plan gives you flexibility to try premium without a long commitment, while the annual plan often provides better overall value if you plan to use it long term. Take a moment to review what's included with each option and note the renewal cycle so you know when you'll be billed. If a trial is available, check how long it lasts and what happens once it ends. After you've chosen a plan, select your payment method, then enter your card details to proceed and follow the prompts on your screen. Accepted payment methods can vary by country, and you may be asked for a billing address that matches your card. Double-check the card number, expiration date, and CVC for accuracy. Make sure you're on a secure connection and never share your card details outside the official checkout fields. If your bank uses additional verification, approve the authentication request to complete the purchase. Once payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation on screen and, typically, a receipt sent to your email. Your premium features should activate automatically on the account you used to sign in. If needed later, you can review, change, or cancel your plan from your account's subscription settings. That's it. You've opened your Gemini account, clicked Upgrade, selected your plan, and completed payment by following the on-screen prompts, everything you need to get Google Gemini Premium.